How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to Stance Bros. Thanks again for tuning in. How many of you guys have soft tops for your cars? Better question, how many of you know how to safely protect and clean your soft top? Well, if you don't, this video is perfect for you, and if you do, well, this video is still pretty satisfying, so sit back, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get this thing wet. It's fabric, so we're gonna treat it like fabric. And yes, you can use a pressure washer, just don't use anything past 1600 PSI. This one here is exactly 1600 PSI, so we're just gonna stand back a little bit, get it wet. And then just like I said before, it is cloth, so we are gonna treat it just like carpet. We're gonna spray a little bit of the carpet cleaner that we use on. And we're gonna take our microfiber rag, fold it into squares, and then just massage the soap into the soft top. The other side, do the exact same thing. Don't apply too much pressure, because obviously if you apply a lot of pressure, you might make a hole in your roof, and that's no fun. We are using P&S Carpet Bomber, just to get rid of any dirt or stains on the soft top here. There we go. Next thing that we're gonna do is obviously just rinse it off. Again, we're gonna stand back, don't use too much pressure, and the last step for cleaning the soft top is drying it. So we're gonna use two different methods. We're gonna use our drying towel first, just to get the top layer of water off. And then we're gonna come behind it with our blow dryer, just to get the water that's soaked in a little bit more dry. So again, don't push too hard on the soft top. That's what the blow dryer is for. We're just getting the top layer right off. And again, this is just for any water that got soaked up. And for those wondering, yes, this is a leaf blower, and it's actually the industry's most powerful handheld blower. So your leaf blower at home will not damage your soft top. Next, we're gonna actually show you guys how to protect it, make it hydrophobic, and stay cleaner for longer. So let's jump right into that. Okay, so the last thing that we're gonna do is show you guys exactly how to protect your soft top, make it hydrophobic, it'll stay cleaner for longer, and it will protect it against dirt and debris getting embedded in there. So we're gonna use a fabric coat from Gyeon, and you just spray it on top. And you're gonna let it sit. Let it sit for about, I'd say about 2 minutes. Spray everywhere. Make sure you get everywhere. And just like a traditional ceramic coating, we are gonna level it, and I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. It's a little bit different than the traditional ceramic coating. You're gonna spray this on, make sure you're working in a dry environment. You're gonna let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until it starts getting a little bit tacky. And you'll see right here, it's starting to kind of bubble up a little bit. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. All right, so Now, instead of using a microfiber, because the microfiber is going to soak up the fabric guard, all you're going to do is take your hand with a glove on it and massage it into your convertible soft top. I'm not putting any pressure down, I'm just going the weight of my hand over top of the soft top. Then, going for a second coat. On the other side, same thing, just massage it in. If you don't massage it in, it's gonna have that tacky look to it, pretty much year round. It's gonna look like it's gonna look dirty year round pretty much. So just make sure that you massage it in, make sure that the convertible kind of turns from the tacky look back to black, or whatever original color your convertible top is. That's okay if you get it on your windows a little bit. It's actually just gonna help make them hydrophobic. It's not gonna ruin your windows in any way. Afterwards, after you're done the convertible top and stuff like that, just go back with a microfiber, wipe off the windows, and you're good to go. And again, you can go in circles, you can go straight back and forth. Just make sure you get everywhere on your convertible. This will last you probably the season, depending on how much rain you get, or if you drive your convertible in winter, in light snow. It really depends on the weather of where you are, but this should last you a good season to a year. And it'll make it super, super easy to clean next year when you take your baby out for the summer. Now, let this dry for 6 to 12 hours. Don't wash it with any harsh soaps. Don't go through any drive-throughs, nothing like that, for a good 7 days, and then you're good to go. Okay, so now we have waited the exact amount of time recommended, which is exactly 12 hours, and we're gonna give the soft top a little bit of a test.
Oh my God! Wow!
And look at that. So now if you do go out driving in the rain, you have full confidence that all the water is just gonna beat off. It's gonna self-clean, stay cleaner for longer, and definitely protect the soft top. And if you wanna dry it, it's that easy. We do offer this service down at Stance Bros, so if you're interested in that and you're down in Calgary, give us a call at 403-680-9991. And that's it. You guys now know how to safely wash and protect your convertible soft top. If you guys do have any further questions, reach out to us on Instagram at David@StanceBros or at StanceBros_. I'd be happy to answer any questions you guys have, or leave a question down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it. For now, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, check out our online store, and I'll see you guys on the next detail.
Nice stance, bro.